Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a kind and gentle young woman named Cinderella. Despite her challenging circumstances, Cinderella maintained a heart full of grace and optimism. After the sudden passing of her parents, Cinderella found herself living with her wicked stepmother and two stepsisters. They treated her with cruelty, forcing her to wear tattered clothes and work as a servant in her own home. One day, news arrived in the kingdom that a grand royal ball would be held at the palace. The entire kingdom was invited, including Cinderella's family. Overjoyed at the prospect of attending the ball, Cinderella's stepsisters demanded she help them prepare, but they were unkind and dismissive. As the night of the ball approached, Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters left for the palace, leaving her behind in tears. Alone in her room, Cinderella's sadness attracted the attention of her fairy godmother. With a wave of her wand and a sprinkle of magic, the fairy godmother transformed Cinderella's tattered attire into a magnificent gown, her worn-out shoes into delicate glass slippers, and a pumpkin into a majestic carriage. However, she cautioned Cinderella to return before midnight, for the magic would wear off. As Cinderella arrived at the ball, she captivated everyone with her beauty and grace, including the prince. The two danced the night away, lost in the enchantment of the moment. Suddenly, the clock struck midnight, and Cinderella had to flee, leaving behind a single glass slipper. In her haste, she vanished into the night, leaving the prince determined to find the mysterious maiden. The next day, the prince visited Cinderella's home, hoping to find the owner of the glass slipper. The stepsisters tried to fit into the delicate shoe, but it was a perfect match only for Cinderella. Recognizing her as the true enchanting maiden from the ball, the prince embraced Cinderella. Together, they lived happily ever after, their love proving that kindness and goodness triumph over cruelty and hardship. And so, Cinderella's rags to riches tale became a timeless story of resilience, magic, and the transformative power of love.